The Texas Supreme Court has another case that is of great importance to parents across the state of Texas. In a case out of Fort Worth, a couple who had divorced had joint custody of their 4-year-old daughter. In a tragic situation, that mother was killed in a car accident. Her parents then sued the dad for joint custody or possession of that child. And while the lower court agreed, the Dallas Court of Appeals rejected that, saying the grandparents did not meet the statutory requirement for standing in that case. So what happened later was a fiance who'd been living with this woman for 11 months filed suit in the same court, asking the court to give him joint custody of that child. Now let me make that clear. This is not a husband. This is not an adoptive husband. He was not a husband. He was simply a fiance who had lived with this woman for 11 months with her daughter, asking the court to give him joint custody along with the father. The judge amazingly agreed to that and actually said to the grandparents, by the way, you can have all the time with that child you want. So the lawyers representing this dad have filed a writ of mandamus with the Texas Supreme Court, and they quote extensively from the most recent Attorney General opinion issued this last spring that the parents' right to make decisions for their child is a fundamental constitutional right. So click on the links below for more information. It's a really important case. Our organization and others are briefing in support of the dad to support parental rights. So thank you for all you do to help us keep Texas families free.